जरा उनसे मिलता हूँ, जो एक बात दिल में है उनसे कहूँ।
This film, this song is very, very special. My father was a part of the first one. So thank you Roop sir for this song, and now Vishal sir singing this song for us in Border 2.
तो चलूं तो चलूं तो चलूं तो चलूं तो चलूं